Hi, quick question. Is your van just branded or is it actually generating work for you? Because there's a big difference. Most businesses treat vehicle signage as decoration, a logo, a phone number, maybe a list of services, but your van isn't just transport. It's owned media, it's seen thousands of times a week, and it costs nothing extra to be noticed. The question is it designed to be remembered? At Elygra, we design vehicles around 6 proven principles. We design to stand out. We use contrast, not clutter. We focus on one clear message. We prioritize recall over listing services. We build consistency to create trust. And when it makes sense, we use QR codes as a fast lane to action. That means your van doesn't just look professional, it works as mobile media. Most signage companies sell vinyl. We build mobile marketing systems. We connect your vehicle to a focused sales page, capture inquiries, and can even support you with video explainers, avatars like this one, and follow-up campaigns. Because visibility without conversion is wasted attention. If you'd like to know whether your current ban is helping or hurting your brand, book a free marketing audit. We'll give you a straight answer. No obligation, no pressure, just clarity. Make contact with us today. Thank you for watching, and speak again soon.